Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to properly use the triangle maneuver mode in FURUNO radar. So now camera down base, this base now CPA 1.1 nautical mile, TCBA around 40 minutes. So I will explain how to triangle maneuver. So first we going to menu, and then there has the target EIS. Target EIS has the triangle maneuver. Triangle maneuver has the triangle of static dynamic, and this is of static dynamic. So now at C choose to dynamic, and then the triangle speed rate. Triangle speed rate also something like that. For example, 10 knot, 10 knot, 0.5 knot per second, or possible 1 knot per second, and 1 knot per second, and then this 1.5 knot, and then 1.5 per second possible. Can choose, and then down rate also this 5 knot, around 5 knot, 5 degree per second. This for knot, this 5 degree per second. Also this down rate, for example 10 knot, 5 degree per second, and then 50 knot, 50 knot also around 7 degree per second. 50 knot, 0.7 degree per second. So now this ball already choose, and then this triangle target data choose to triangle, and then okay, back, and then they had the triangle setting. Triangle setting has the our course now heading 342. So you can choose to 340 to this scroll wheel arrow and down, just scroll wheel up and down. So I will choose 342. I will. Okay, so got this scroll wheel up and down, and then our speed now around 8.5 knot, heading 341 and 342. Okay, no, okay. So want to choose 341 also possible. This scroll wheel just do 341. Okay, and speed 8.5 knot, and then so, and then press to triangle set. Leg click, transfer leg click. So now start the triangle maneuver. So this my base position, and then this base, and then after how many minutes? 7 minutes. That's for minute. You see? Okay, now start. I will again. Stop. Okay, and then so start. We need to choose first. We need to choose menu, and then target EIS, and then there the triangle maneuver setting. Triangle maneuver setting, we can choose this for off static and dynamic. Normally choose the dynamic because I see dynamic mode, and then triangle speed rate also. Anything can choose. I choose 10 knot, 1 knot per second, 50 knot, 1.5 knot per second. This for triangle down rate. And 10 knot 5 degree per second, 50 knot 7 degree per second, and then choose to this for triangle, and then back, and then from here this for change to our heading. Our heading now 345 possible, and also this scroll wheel, just do 3 possible. Also scroll wheel arrow up and down 345, and then speed also possible. Speed from here this leg plate, this casa. Casa choose to speed, and then 8.5, 8.4. Also this scroll wheel can adjust. So now 8.5. Okay, and then we get start again. Triangle setting. This for leg click. So now they started moving. This triangle move. It my base around 345 degree and 8.5 speed, and then moving this line, and then another target also coming down from my starboard bound to percent. Just try and move, and then 3, 4, 5 after 23 minutes, 24 minutes, 25 minutes, something like that. Also we can check this for time. So this for try and move. After any target in my radar screen has the 1 target, 2 target, 3 target, something like that. Then we can choose this for triumph maneuver mode, how to percent from ahead percent or stand percent, something like that. We can before percent we can choose. So this for how to properly use the triumph maneuver. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my channel. See you next video.